In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down. Now hit System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard. Then select Text Correction and use Gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back, as you can see, Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!